Growing your hair out can be frustrating, but there are ways to speed up the process. First, change the way you wash your hair by washing it no more than 3 times a week with cold water. Gently pat it dry, and avoid brushing it while wet. Avoid using harsh chemicals found in most commercial shampoos and conditioners. Instead, use all natural products and condition with diluted apple cider vinegar or coconut oil. Try using natural styling techniques and products, limiting the use of heating tools and chemical-filled hairsprays. Use a hair mask once every 2 weeks to repair damage and promote healthy growth. Protect your hair from external damage by covering it up in the sun, pool, or polluted environments. Focus on eating a protein-rich diet including meat, eggs, beans, nuts, and leafy vegetables. Additionally, incorporate foods high in omega-3 fatty acids, such as avocados and salmon. And stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water.